Hey everybody, Joe G here from Masshole E-Bikes and Drones. Today I'm excited to compare two of my newest drones, the Potensic Atom 2 against the Mini 5 Pro from DJI. Some of you may say it's not a fair fight because one has the 1/2 inch sensor while the Mini 5 has the 1 inch sensor. However, looking at the footage from both of these drones, they are both excellent, and I think it's worth a look. So, I'm going to get these up into the air right now, even though it is crazy windy and cold out, and we're going to take a short flight, and I'm going to let you decide what you think. Okay, we're going to be starting off with the Potensic Atom 2 first. Okay, I'm going to get it up, not too high because it's super windy today. Going to get it up to about 120 feet, do a quick flight, and then bring her on back. I think what I'll do is I'll head over to my favorite barn. Oops, going the wrong way. It is freezing cold out here and it is incredibly windy. So we got all the screens recording and away we go. Okay, from what I can see on the screen, the video footage looks fantastic. Okay, the drone is telling me that it's encountering those really crazy winds, so I'm not going to spend too much time up there. Just going to turn around. I do want to note that both drones are set to the same settings. They're both on automatic settings. The camera is filming in 4K, 30 frames per second. There's no color grading going on. This is all straight from the drone. Okay, let me just put my compass on so I know where I'm heading. Okay, I'm going to head back towards home, do a quick little turn out this way, maybe quickly go out to the pond so you can see some contrast. Go past the barn again and then turn right. That wind is really affecting that drone. I just saw it take a big dive. Okay, are we seeing that pond? Am I in the right place? There it is. Okay, so again, from what I'm seeing, the image looks fantastic, at least on the remote. Okay, now I'm going to bring it home. Okay, so we're going to let this one come home. Then we're going to get the Mini 5 Pro up into the air, and we're going to see how that looks. You hear it. Ah, here it comes. Okay, let's put the gimbal down. See where we're coming down. I'm actually going to have it land on the landing pad, even though I actually took off from the. Okay. Have it come down. See if I can get it to land. Boy, that wind is really doing a number. Okay, that was the Potensic Atom 2 drone. Looked fantastic, but now let's try the Mini 5 Pro. Okay. Didn't have the video filming, which is unfortunate, which means I'm going to have to Okay, here we go. Give it up for a second, let it sit there, get its bearings. Okay, now let's head up to 120 feet. And I'm going to try to replicate the same flight, although it is freezing cold out here, so I'm not sure how much I remember. All I remember is that I'm freezing my butt off. Okay, there's our favorite little farmhouse. Clouds are kind of in and out here, so one may be flying under cloudy conditions while the other one was flying in the sun. I'm not really sure. But again, the image on the screen that I am seeing and that you are hopefully seeing as well looks fantastic. I am not surprised with the Mini 5 Pro. This is an outstanding drone. It's hard to say for sure, but it seems like this one is handling the winds a lot better. The speed on it, I don't seem to be having any issues whatsoever. So now I'm going to turn towards the house again. Okay, now I'm going to turn this way like I did the other one. I believe I headed over here towards this little opening in the woods, mistakenly thinking this is where the pond was. It's amazing how your brain doesn't work when you're freezing. Okay, and then I believe I turned. And came over the pond. So there's the pond. This drone is just flying. Literally and metaphorically. It is just powering through that wind, no problem at all. Okay. So now we're going to bring it home. Temperatures are chilly, in the 30s, but it's that wind. That wind is just brutal today. I would guess the wind chills are probably in the 20s today. So my fingers are frozen right now. All right, so while that's coming home, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the film footage from both inside. Going to see if I can't show you both, compare them both, and maybe put them side by side. And I hope you will tell me what you think. Is the Potensic Atom a good rival to the Mini 5, the flagship of the mini drones for DJI? Or does it still have a ways to go? Like I said, from what I've seen flying it so far, it's an excellent drone. But then again, DJI, without question, is the premier drone maker. Okay, so it's coming back to where I had it go. I'm gonna stop it because I don't want it landing over there. It's just too windy out. I'm gonna have it come forward a little bit. Let's put that down. No, let's put that back down again. Let's see if I can't get it to come over. Oops. Wow. We got some crazy, crazy winds. All right, let's bring it down. That wind is tossing this thing around. I don't think I've ever seen this thing get tossed around so much. I'm just gonna go ahead and land it. Not even gonna take a chance leaving it up there. Okay, so that was the DJI Mini 5 Pro. I hope you enjoyed that. I definitely, if you did enjoy it, I hope that you will give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That's all I got for you for now. Thank you. Have a great day.